Sirisek, people of God, how are you? Wherever you are? We are in the conference, in the Dubai conference, Deeper Life. The conference is so wonderful. It's a life-changing conference. So how do I say that we are in Dubai, Deeper Life conference?
Tiri ku Dubai kumusangano.
Diri ku Dubai, Musanganano?
Yes, kumusangano ku church.
Musanganano ku church.
Yes.
So if you are there and you are not yet coming, please come. Oh, it's so powerful. You will see the transformation of the life.
Yes, guys, you should come to church. We are here enjoying the conference. Wow, what a conference. It's really powerful. I hope you guys are still enjoying our videos. We kindly ask you to like, to share our videos. Please, you need to share our videos and to follow our page as well. May God bless you.